Alright, let's look at the practice exam 2, problem number 1, part A. Right, we want to find the equation of this sphere whose diameter has the endpoints, so these two given endpoints. Right, so let's draw a picture. So it's a sphere, so I'm going to draw a sphere like that. And then here, draw its equator. Alright, so endpoints. So endpoints are given. So from say here to here. So that's the diameter. Right. So I'm going to just give it. So this is -3, comma, -1, comma 2. Right. And here the point is 0, comma, -1, comma, 6. Right? So the center is going to be the midpoint of those 2 points. Right? So let's find midpoint. So midpoint M, which is going to be the center, is take the average of each coordinate. So you have a 0 plus -3, then divide by 2. Right? -1 plus -1 divide by 2. Right? And also 6 plus 2 divide by 2. Right? So this is going to be, right, so it's a -3/2, and a negative, so that would be -1. And this is going to be, let's see, 8/2, so 4. Right? So we got the center. Alright? Then we just need to find the radius. I'm going to find the diameter first. Say D is going to be distance between these two guys. So square root of, right, 0 minus -3. So I'm going to put +3 squared. And a -1 minus -1. So it's +1 squared. So that's 0 anyway. And a 6 minus 2 squared. Right? So this is going to be square root of, so that's 9, that's 0. So 4 squared, so 16, so that's 25. Right? So radius, not radius, diameter is actually 5. Right? Which means that by cut that in half, radius is 5/2. Right? So here's the equation. So therefore, equation of the sphere is x minus x0, -3/2, so +3/2 squared, plus y minus -1, so it's a +1 squared, plus z minus 4 squared, and the radius squared, so 5/2 squared. Right? So that's the equation of the sphere we're looking for. Right? That's it. I hope that this was clear.